Paris. Hey, Magachena, Manak. Magachena, Manak is very beautiful. Zimbabwe Republic Police. Go Jamari. Go Jamari. Asilo da ushadi zote huko. Ndio state mejeji kaya. Zimbabwe Republic Police. ZWS. Zimbabwe Service. Monona Lisa. Zimbabwe Prison and Correctional Service. Number 5 detachment. Oh. Hutu.
Here to inspection. The guest of honor is inspecting the parade.
Moçambique, oye! Oye! Presidente Uhuru, oye! Oye! Presidente Chapo, oye! Oye! Obrigado.
Thank you. This is a day that makes not only Zimbabweans proud, but also the people of the Southern Africa region, especially Mozambique, with which it shares a common history of fighting for independence.
Para nós, a independência não é apenas a transferência de poder político de um regime para o outro. É, sobretudo, a restauração da dignidade humana e o triunfo da resistência de um povo da opressão, da unidade sobre a divisão e da esperança sobre o desespero.
For us, independence is not just a transfer of political power from one regime to another, and above all, the restoration of human dignity and the triumph of a people's resistance to oppression, of unity over division and hope over despair.
Passados os 45 anos de independência, recordamos com reverência aos combatentes, as comunidades que processaram alimentos. Enfim, Moçambique uniu-se ao Zimbábue na busca do seu sonho, a liberdade.
Our forests provided shelter to fighters, communities provided food, and finally Mozambique joins Zimbabwe in the pursuit of its dream, freedom.
É por causa deste sonho compartilhado a nossa amizade hoje não é apenas com base numa relação diplomática, mas laço de fraternidade.
And because of this shared dream, our friendship today is not just based on a diplomatic relationship, but a bond of brotherhood.
Hoje vivemos numa época em que muitas alianças são construídas apenas com base em interesses egoístas, muitas vezes alheias ao mas os laços de amizade entre a província de Manica e a província de Manicaland são de benefício de ambos os povos.
But the bonds of friendship between the province of Manica and the Manicaland province are of benefit to both people.
Portanto, é importante que se invista na inovação de modo a criar oportunidades para os nossos jovens, os continuadores desse legado histórico das nossas relações.
It is important to invest in innovation in order to create opportunity for our young people, the continuance of the historical legacy of our relations.
Acreditamos firmemente que o futuro das duas províncias reside na unidade de sempre prevalecer não só entre os governos, mas também sobre os dois povos.
We firmly believe that the future of our provinces lies in the unity that must always prevail, not only between the government, but also between the people.
Na luta sobre o desenvolvimento, devemos caminhar juntos através de relações de cooperação mutuamente vantajosas.
In the struggle of development, we must work together through mutual beneficial cooperative relations.
Today marks another significant milestone as we celebrate the 45th independence anniversary of our great motherland, being held under the theme Zimbabwe 45, devolve and develop together toward Vision 2030. This year we are gathered here in Chimanimani at Nedziwa Growth Point in fulfillment of our commitment to devolve and develop. That leaves no one and no place behind. We thank you, the people of Manicaland and the Midlands province, for your warm welcome and hospitality. Tawia Kudulurino, Jimboino Yashemtamba. During the brutal colonial era, this area became home to many of our forefathers who were forcibly bundled out from various parts of the country by the racist white colonial regime. They survived and thrived in these lands, which were then highly infested with sassafras, turning this area into one of the most populous and economically vibrant districts in the country. This is the district of Gokwe. In gathering here from all the four corners of the country, we honor you, the people of the larger Midlands province and Gokwe in particular. You shall forever stand as a symbol of resilience and fortitude. We also honor the great heroes of the province of Manicaland. These include Manicaland and Midlands. These include General Josiah Magamatongo Gara, Leopold Takawira, Comrade Sifas Musipa, Comrade Richard Owe, Comrade Stephen Buma, Comrade Lamek Makanda, Comrade Benjamin Mavenge, Comrade Spusiso Moyo, Comrade Garkai Magazire, Comrade Nash Nyasha, Comrade Heaven Matava, Comrade Sidney Bebe, and Comrade Kwabi Bebe, among others. Many more lie in district and provincial heroes whereas in unmarked graves within the country and beyond. It is because of their collective bravery, dedication and patriotism that today we are forever free, independent, peaceful and sovereign people. Kutsunga kwavo, nekushinga, nekudanyika yekwedu, nekuzvipira kwavakaita kuti nhasi tive takasununguka. Your contribution as Midlands province and Gokwe and Manicaland as well to the economy in post-independent Zimbabwe through the met. The country is gathered here therefore to thank you, kuzokutendai, and to celebrate with you. This independence is ours together. We are one united people of Zimbabwe. Commemorations are also taking place countrywide and provincial level as well as throughout the world at our diplomatic mission. To all my fellow citizens, countrymen and women, Zinoti Makoro Koto. At this
honorable maposa ku Chimanimani West muno mukochize yamuri muri kuitwa independence celebration ndanzwa kufara zuva ranhasi because zvaitika muno hazvina kunge zvakugara zvakamboitika zvachose kubva since independence muno muChimanimani West tikufara because takapuwa maboho napresident masolar boreholes nemaproject mamwe ari kuitika muno zvese tiri kufara ende vanhu vari kufara vese nhasi mvura iri kunaya ende independence yaitika inoyi munhu wese ari kufara nezviri kuitika muno muChimanimani West tiri kunzwa kudziirwa nezvaitika zuva ranhasi mauya mapurisa masoja ekudhiriring vari kuita machi munhu wese pane vamwe vakazvikazviona kubva vatakatora nyika asi nhasi takomborerwa zvinhu zviri kuitika muconstituency medu munhu wese ari kufara nobva kufara zuva ranhasi.